Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I am bringing you the long-awaited review and what I thought about 3 of the Youn products. It's Youn Beauty, and you may be familiar with who Dr. Youn is. He is the holistic plastic surgeon, and he is a YouTuber, and you can find his channel, and I'll put the link below so you can kind of check that out. But I want to go ahead and give you the 3 reviews that I've been promising you. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, we are in a heat wave. We're in the 90s, and it is hot, hot, hot here in Northern California. And actually, I just got my hair done today, and it's been, wow, it's been since November, I think, and I really needed a haircut because my hairdresser retired. And so, but I did find a really beautiful soul, and her name is Rosa. She's actually going to be my regular hairdresser. She was fun. She was open-minded, and she was very intelligent and fun to have a conversation with. So, yeah, anyway, I got my haircut. I'm so happy about that, you guys, okay? And I was looking at it this morning, oh my God, my head is dead. And so, but I did get quite a bit cut off, and it's now, I think still to my, not as far as my lower back, but to my mid back. So yeah, I needed to cut it off. It's too hot here. Okay, so anyway, before I go on a tangent, which is too late, I want to go ahead and do our thing, which is our affirmation for the day. And let's see what we have today. Today we have, let's see, oh, very interesting card. I like abstract cards. I guess that's not that abstract. It's like buildings, right? But I love the colors. So what does it say? It says, I am confident. Fear and anxiety have no place in my life. You know, I've been pulling a lot of cards like this. Fear and anxiety have no place in my life. I'm confident. And this is just so important right now. You know, I think we're seeing more and more anxiety out there with, you know, everything that's going on. And I just noticed a little my little string there, sorry about that. And you know, I mean, with COVID and with all of the, you know, the things that's happening around the world, and people are just not happy. And so there's a lot of anxiety and there's a lot of fear, okay? And one feeds the other. So it's really important that you guys get confident with yourselves. And how can you do that? Well, you know, really focus on things that you love and spend time with that, you know, whatever it is that you love, and really work on yourself. Give yourself some self-care time, do a face mask, whatever it may be. And also, you know, talk to people. You know, you're not alone in this fear and anxiety. I mean, it's scary out there, right? And so, yeah, I mean, share your experiences and really talk it out with somebody. Let's see what it says in the back, though. It says, what have I accomplished lately that I am proud of? There you go. Something, you know, you can think about, what did you accomplish, and really bring that up, because that's really going to help you with your confidence and at the same time your anxiety. And how can I project confidence when I am anxious or afraid? Okay, that's a good question, because everybody deals with anxiety and fear in a different way. So you really have to think about, how can you really project confidence? I mean, you know, you remember the old saying that said, never let them see you sweat. Yeah. And so, yeah, how do you do that? How do you not let them see you sweat when you're inside? I mean, just dripping sweat, you know, in a metaphoric way. And so really think about that. It's a really good card, and it's really a good thing to really walk around saying for the day. I am confident. Fear and anxiety have no place in my life. And like I always tell you guys, look for that silver lining. There's always a silver lining somewhere if you look hard enough, okay? So that's that, guys. Okay, today I'm going to be talking about 3 of the Youn products. And as I was saying earlier, Dr. Anthony Youn is known as the holistic plastic surgeon. And he is a real plastic surgeon, and he does some really good videos he comments on like botched and things like that. And also he gives his review and his thoughts. And I think there's one that I watched, 5 things you should never put on your face. So he's actually really funny, and I really like that about him. But let's talk about the products. So the 3 products we're going to talk about today is this Youn Beauty. This is the cleanser. Okay. And second one, he calls it Prepare, which is the toner. And then a third one, which, I mean, I was hoping to love so much, and it's almost gone, is the C and E Serum, okay? This is vitamin C and E Serum. And I don't know if you recall, when I opened it, I was really, really excited about trying these things, and, you know, I really have full confidence that it was going to work, right? Everything I read about it. And so, and I'll tell you, I'm sure this works, and I'm sure these work. But let me tell you about the, I'm having a hard time here because I really wanted to love it. I really did. And starting with the cleanser, clean, and this is what it says about it. It says a versatile moisturizing cleanser that is great for all skin types, especially with dry and mature skin. Not true. I have both mature and dry skin. And this really left my skin dry. And the only time I could really use it, and the reason why I use it is because when I do a two-step, when I am taking off makeup with a oil-based or a cream-based, and that way I can use this to take it off. Okay, dogs. This only happens when I start videoing serious stuff. And so this one, it says green tea cleanser. And the thing that worries me more about that is that, you remember in the video that I introduced as additional fragrance? Because if you look at the website, and you should be seeing a description here, this is what you're going to see in the website. It has fragrance nowhere on the ingredients. It has nothing about ingredient, okay? But somebody corrected me on the video and says, no, his stuff has fragrance. I looked on the internet and I'm like, no, it doesn't say that. I looked in a bottle, which is teeny, tiny, tiny. It's there. It's the last thing, but it is there. And I don't know if I can get it really, where is it? It's right there. See if I can get it focused. And that really upset me. Because to me, that is deceptive marketing. Because if it was a store, I wouldn't say so much. But because this is a, you know, online only purchase, I don't have the liberty of looking at the box. Now, you can blame me for saying, well, you should have looked at the box. Well, okay, there's no box on the internet. So I have a problem with that. I really do. And it's a shame because I don't even know if Dr. Youn knows, because I'm sure he doesn't do his own marketing. He's got a marketing company out there marketing it for him. And also, look how small this is. And you're saying that this is for mature dry skin. Okay, dry skin is one thing, but mature means you're a little older. Your eyesight is not as good. We don't force ourselves to really look at it. If we look at the internet and 14 font, that there is no fragrance. So what is up with that? I'm not happy. And it's same identical thing with all of his products. Same with the tea tree. It's the mate to it, and this is the toner. And the toner also actually says the same thing. And I checked, and I actually screenshotted these off of his website. And so that way you can see what I saw. And nowhere it says splash some life into your complexion. This superior toner contains tamarind seed extract, aloe vera to moisturize, chamomile to calm, and Japanese green tea to protect the surface of the skin. Wheat protein and marine minerals containing selenium, magnesium, copper, zinc, and calcium round out the essential needs for a glowing complexion. Now drop below where it says ingredients. Tell me, I looked at this thing thinking, okay, I must have been crazy when somebody called me out on it. And I felt really bad that I said there's no fragrance, and there's fragrance. But again, here's the toner, and here is the fragrance. Okay? And like I said, we don't have the option of looking at the box, looking at the label when we're shopping online, especially when these things aren't sold in stores anywhere, right? And so we count on good information online. We didn't get that, okay? And another thing as well, I mean, these products are decent. I'm not saying they're bad. They're decent products, but you know I don't like fragrance on my skin. And, you know, it works. It works. But does it work better than any other thing? No. Is it more expensive than other things that I can buy? Yes. Like for a cleanser, I could get a CeraVe, which is double size, which is huge like this, which is like a liter size, I think it is, for the same price. And it has no fragrance, okay? And the toner, same thing. I mean, overpriced for what? If there's fragrance. You know, I can get a toner from Paula's Choice. I love Paula's Choice toner. I can get a toner from the Ordinary. Less price and no fragrance. And again, you know, when I was looking at this as far as the vitamin C and E, I said there is no way there's fragrance in this one, right? Because this is something I leave on. The other two, well, the soap the cleanser I can forgive because I do wash it off. But toner, I don't wash off. Vitamin C and E, I definitely don't wash off. And so, again, says the same thing here. Vitamin C and E, let's see. What does it say? I'm going to show you these things on the screen so you actually can see it for yourselves. And it says, the perfect elixir for sun-damaged skin. This vitamin C serum is concentrated delivery system for the highest form of active bioavailable vitamin C. When combined with the antioxidant vitamin E, the results are a synergistic formula that soothes and revitalizes the skin. In addition, hyaluronic acid and jojoba oil provides moisture, witch hazel tightens, and arginine helps minimize the appearance of wrinkles in this wonderful youth-promoting serum. Again, look at the ingredients. I'm going to flash it on the screen for you guys. No fragrance anywhere. Yet I just showed you where it says fragrance on here. So, yeah. And also, the prices on these are sold out, but the price on these are $63. And I'll be honest with you, I have much better vitamin C coming from Paula's Choice, as well as The Ordinary, okay? And again, no fragrance. And you remember I told you guys why I don't like fragrance? Fragrance has a tendency to vasodilate, okay? Vasodilate. And if you want to see a whole thing on vasodilation and vasoconstriction, you can check out Dr. Dre, who is a dermatologist, who is a specialist in skin, okay? And so, what happens is that when you vasodilate, it means it brings the blood a little bit closer to the surface of your skin. And what color does blood look like? Like around your face, it looks dark. It looks like maybe purple sometimes. You see those people with the very dark circles under their eyes? This is not going to help them. They need something like caffeine serum, right? Like which is sold by The Ordinary and with no perfume. I mean, if you put fragrance in that, I'd be like, okay, that just like defeated the whole purpose. So anyway, you guys know I hate doing negative reviews. I hate being negative at all, period, because you know me. But I'm not being negative, okay? I want you guys to know I'm being truthful and I'm sharing content with you that you guys should know, because this is not anywhere. I was very upset. I feel like I was deceived. And even though I might have given this a chance, but I actually subscribed not knowing this. And as soon as I found out, I canceled my subscription. And they could have been honest with it up front. But, you know, by law, I don't know if it fits by law, if it fits the, how would you say, the actual law, the intent of the law, because it is on the bottle. I don't know about that piece, but I need to check because this is a online store. You don't have, like I said, you don't have the luxury of picking up. You're not at Sephora going, okay, oh, there's perfume. You're not doing that. You're depending on the information on the internet. Like I said, Anthony may not know. I mean, this is his marketing team doing this. I mean, he may be totally, you know, upset by this. Don't know. He probably won't ever see this video. No, I know he won't see this video, but that's okay. But you guys know. You guys are informed. So really, really inform yourselves. This is exactly a good example when I talked about marketing strategies that goes beyond ethical, okay? And so to me, this is not ethical. Okay? Even if it doesn't break the law, it's not ethical, okay? And so I know you guys, there's probably people of you watching out there that are so angry at me right now, probably throwing eggs on your screen, but I mean, these are the facts that I found, okay? Other than that, my opinion, does it work, doesn't it work? I mean, that's my opinion. I tried it. I'm being honest with you. I wanted to love it, you guys. I really, really did. Like I said, initially I subscribed to, you know, get a regular 3-month subscription every 3 months. And once I found this out, I just had, I couldn't continue with it. Yeah. And so that's that, my beautiful wildflowers. I just wanted to make sure I got on here and gave you the facts and showed you the facts, okay? And if you have any questions, put them below. And please, 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 if, you know, this is nothing against the doctor. Believe me, it's more the marketing strategies that's used in these products, and it's not ethical. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers. Please don't be too hard on me. But anyway, I hope this was helpful for you guys. And I just wanted to get this out there. And I took too long to get it out there. So, yeah. And if I added any value to you, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, well, I don't do a whole lot of this type of content, but subscription boxes, try on makeup, looking at new collections, or whatever it may be, please do consider subscribing, hitting the bell button, and hit all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you guys to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it doesn't matter. Just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.